Knife crimes in London are at the highest level in 6 years. So far in 2018 there has been over 1,300 stabbings. Today, self-defense expert Leon Gordon will show you how to deal with certain knife situations. These could potentially save your life.
Okay, so a knife to your neck, okay, obviously sharp edge to your neck, but you just got to make sure that you get it away from you as safely as possible. If the blade's facing your neck here, you cannot bring the blade down towards you because obviously you're going to get cut. So you just got to make sure the blade goes away from you. So bearing that in mind, okay, you can't also make fists because as soon as you make fists, the other person's going to get defensive. So you need to stroke their ego. You need to make them feel like they're in power, they're in control. I'm going to use this word, pathetic. Make sure you look like you're pathetic because that will stroke their ego for them, okay? So you just look like you can't do anything. So you have your hands up, non-aggressive stance, okay? Get your hands as close to their hand as possible, not the blade. One foot in front of the other for balance, okay? Element of surprise, get the knife away from you. Make sure both your hands are locked, your arms are locked. If your hand's bent, guess what happens? It becomes strength on strength. If that person's stronger than you, the knife's gonna come back. So you just gotta make sure your hands are locked. Once you've secured the hands being locked, you need to also make sure that you preemptively strike that person in the same second. So instantly, it's like push, lock, strike. They're not expecting the strike. Element of surprise. If the knife has dropped on the floor, kick it away from you. Make sure you kick it away so it's not anywhere near. They can't pick it up after you. Okay, on the second scenario, okay, someone coming towards you.
Give me your money.
They're actually rushing you, but they actually stop to ask you for something, your belongings, or they ask you for a wallet. Most commonly in London, it's give me your money, give me your phone. Okay, so they're always after something, even a watch. Okay, but this time they don't actually go to your neck, they actually come towards your body. So they'll actually ask you this way. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna go exactly to your pocket, say, look mate, I haven't got anything, but this is what I've got. Same thing. Lull them into a false sense of security. Make them feel like they're in power, okay? They will relax because they're holding a knife. You're never ever tense holding a knife. You're only tense at the time that you're going to actually strike. So that knife in his hand is actually quite loose. So preemptively striking and actually scaring the person while doing it, they actually aren't gonna hold onto the knife. It's actually gonna drop. Let's say they do. Same thing again. You ask them, you say, look, I haven't got much on me. Look, this is what I've got. Keep talking to them, reassuring them, look pathetic, and it's exactly the same thing. Preemptively, you pushed it away from you. Give them dead leg. Because how many times have we had that in school? You know, or even just playing about in the park or anything like that. I actually use an elbow to the back of the spine. The reason why I use it to the back of the spine is because it actually severs them sometimes. They actually can't move for a second. So it's the knee into the actual quad, elbow to the back. Make sure you get away so it's not anywhere near. They can't pick it up after you. Okay, they're stunned. In that split second that they're stunned, that's when you get away. Don't sit there thinking about how many strikes should I give the person. When do you know that attacker isn't going to come after you again? You don't know. So are you going to stay there and are you going to hit them 5-6 times? Or are you going to hit them once and just try and get away? Now I know there's buildings here, so there's somewhere there. Now if I kick the knife away far enough, I'm going to get to the building. If it's a big open space, you don't know if they're faster than you or you're not. So what you need to do, then you need to secure the knife. Then you need to secure them. Then you need to make sure they're not going to get up.